Welcome back to class, Gap Tech Institute, kings and queens. I believe we are all progressing in our web development journey. I believe, yes, because at the end of this class, you must testify that I really enjoy the class and I've learnt a lot and I would like to advance because this is just the basics, the elementary, like it's just the foundation, right? You still have CSS class, JavaScript class. Remember your CSS, it beautifies your website, and your JavaScript, it adds interaction, logic to your website. Okay, so in our previous class, we talked about radio button. So in today's class, we're just going to talk about another input type. And what's that? What's that? Guess. That should be date elements. We call it date elements. We are on number 4 right now. When we started this topic, I said we are going to 5, right? And now we are on number 4, which is date elements. What's date elements? You want to input your date of birth on a website as an input. There is something that will appear when you click on that button. It will appear like a calendar, right? It will appear like a calendar where you select your what's it called? The day, the month, and the year, right? So let's try it out. Let's create a new file for this. New file and call it date.html. Save. Where is it? Where is it? Come here. Date.html. Remember your snippets, your title, just call it date. Um, and label. Then let's just go straight to the point, label, because at the end of the day, we are still going to compile everything to build a whole website. Just HTML to build a whole website. And you'll be so happy to build your first website using just HTML. Isn't that good? So remember the parent tag. What's that? Label. Always remember label. Okay, so in between this label, you're going to input another thing, and it's just a text, not a tag yet. A text. Select dates and a colon. Okay, so after this colon, this is just the text that will be displayed. This select date is the text that will be displayed. Okay, so what's the input type? As you know, we are dealing with dates elements. So your input tag, input, what's the type? Remember the type should be date. Okay, is date. The type is date. Then I I you should close it. Close your tag. Hmm? Now that's just all. Okay, let's run it. Select dates. You can see select dates. Very simple. Let me show you the code again. Very simple. Just 2 lines of code. Not even 2 lines. 1 lines of code, and you've got what date element is. Just simple as what as anything you call it. That's very simple. Okay. Select date and type dates. That's all. That's all. Just run it. So let's test it out. You can see, 2025 here. It's just like when you want to input your date of birth, as I've said earlier. You can see, let's say I'm born in the year 2182. That's future, right? I'm born in the year 2182, May 10. So that will be Friday, May 10, 2182. Okay, if you set it, it will display there 5/10/2182. Very simple, easy peasy. I hope you enjoy the class. You enjoy it, right? It's fun. Coding should be fun, not boring. Okay, you've got this. I got your back. You must know it. You must know it. So that's all we have for today, guys. Do well to practice, master it, memorize it, make coding your hobby. See you in the next class.